Welcome to my channel, and today I will be teaching you how to view your profile as a friend on Facebook. Facebook has created a feature called View As, for the specific purpose of users checking what their profile looks from the perspective of someone who is not their friend. But it can also show you what your profile looks when one of your Facebook friends clicks on it. So how do you access it? Log into your Facebook page and go to your profile. At the right corner of your cover photo, you should click on 3 dots next to Activity Log. From the pop-up menu, select View As. Facebook will then show you what your profile looks like from the perspective of someone who is not your friend. There you have it. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get video updates daily. Thank you and have a nice day.